Hundreds of suppliers are always on Alibaba, and customers don't know which one to choose. Today, I will give you some suggestions. Number one is to understand Alibaba budget systems. There are two budgets: verified supplier and golden supplier. Golden supplier means the members has paid the member fee on Alibaba. But what is more important is the verified supplier badge, which means the suppliers have been audited online or offline by a third party. So their management, production capability, quality control, etc. are all audited, which will give you a peace of mind to know the suppliers what the exact they are. So this will be the most helpful. Number two is to check how many years of suppliers have been on Alibaba. This will be helpful because some suppliers only 1 year or 2 years, which will not good for you because you want a supplier who run long time and full of experience. So I only recommend a suppliers at 3 years experience. Number three is to choose the suppliers who exact trade assurance. Trade assurance is to protect your vendor, your money and your products. So I highly recommend this. When you use this, you will pay the money to Alibaba. Alibaba will hold your money until you receive the cargo. Thank you.